And now breaking news coming in, we will cut across directly to that from Mysuru following a rise in heart attack cases across the state. There has been a heavy rush now near Jayadeva Hospital in Mysuru. Even today, thousands of people have arrived at Jayadeva for consultations. You can see on your screen the kind of rush there is of people. Outpatients have come seeking checkups for heart-related ailments. This is clearly a panic situation that is developing in that region in Mysuru. People have been standing in queues since early morning to undergo medical examinations. The number of patients visiting Mysuru's Jayadeva Hospital is increasing day by day. This comes on the heels of Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah claiming that COVID vaccines have a link to the rise in the heart attack, which was later dismissed by the ICMR and the AIIMS reports.
ಈಗ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳೆದ 10 ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ವರದಿಗಳು ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂತು. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದಂಥ ಜನತೆ ತುಂಬ ಗಾಬರಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಿ ತಮಗೂ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಗಾಬರಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜಯದೇವ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಔಟ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 25 to 30% ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ 1100 1200 ರೋಗಿಗಳು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಗಾಬರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದವರಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರದ ಗಂಭೀರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
For more on this, let's cut across to India Today's Sneha Mordani. Sneha, 25 to 30% increase in outpatients. Now, can this be classified as a panic situation?
Well, absolutely it does, because if you have 400 patients in an OPD department of a hospital which usually sees not more than 30 to 50, it is a panic situation. The reason is because preventive health checkups has been emphasized upon by so much by doctors all over, including from the panel that was set up by the government there in the state of Karnataka to look into this, that people are thinking that a checkup of this kind is going to save them from this problem. What needs to be said loud and clear is that it's only a part of the solution, as is said by the doctors as well. It's not going to, resolve the situation. What needs to be done is focus on your lifestyle as well, stress on other factors that we've been talking about. Preventive health checkups are of course a part of it, but it seems now like that people are in a rush because they think that in Hassan it's happening to everyone, it could happen to them as well. But like I said, it is a part of the problem, it is a part of the solution, and it's only something that needs to be done and spread out over a period of time is the message that needs to go out to the people, in which the government would be effective in sending out this message that preventive health checkups are important. But rushing to hospitals in a situation where we have so many people in the OPD department is not going to serve any purpose. That's a message that has to go out. Also the message, like I said, that it is only one thing that needs to be done in this direction. There are just so many other things that can be done by the people. Yes, it's a state of panic, but I said the messaging really has to be from the administration on why preventive checkups are important. But rushing to hospitals and creating a burden on the system is really not the way forward.
Right, absolutely, Sneha, and not just burden on the system, but this is unnecessary stress that people are taking upon themselves, which is not good for their health.